Hello and welcome everyone in the journey of creating one more beautiful DIY. So, today we'll be making a beautiful home decor piece that will add beauty to your walls. So, let's begin. Here I have taken a cardboard or packaging box and cut it in a rectangular shape. Then I am making the outline of the figurine. After making the outline of the figurine, I am applying the texture paste on the background. To prepare the texture paste, I have used POP and white glue. You can also use texture paste which are available in the market. After applying, let the texture paste dry. As the texture paste has dried up, I'll be making the figurine. To make it, I am using M-Seal. You can also use Silpaca clay or airtight clay. For the hands, face, I'm not using any base. I'm directly using M-Seal as these are smaller sections. Palms, I have taken a smaller section of pencil and using a scissor, I have made 5 sections. The base of the figurine, I am applying hot glue and aluminum foil. After that, I am pasting a layer of pencil and using my fingers, I am shaping the figurine. After that, apply white glue and apply a next layer of pencil. Here I am using a modeling tool to shape the figurine. You can also use your fingers to shape the figurine. In the next step, I am using some acrylic colors to color the background. Here I am using a beige color to color the background. Bushes, I am using light green acrylic color. After that, I will apply some dark green acrylic color. Here I have colored the body using black acrylic color. In the navel area, I am applying some amount of white to get that appearance. Next, I am using a 3D outliner to make the turban, eyes and nose, and to make the bangles. So now it's time for the dress. I am using some acrylic color to draw the patterns. you can create design of your choice. Here I am doing some patterns. For the jewelry I am using golden color. Here I am applying the 3D outliner for the final touch. So here's our home decor piece is ready. I hope you liked today's video, and for more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notified. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Thank you.